Welcome to today's class. Our objective today is to learn negative past actions. These are completed actions in the past. As we saw in the previous class, we can use simple past to talk about a time in the past that was specific, a past fact, an action that is finished, or a past habit. And remember that the keywords are, for example, yesterday, 2 days ago, last month, or in 1990. Remember that many of the verbs that are common in English are irregular. How do we form the past in negative? We need a subject, the auxiliary didn't or did not, and a verb in simple form. And maybe you are asking, what is the meaning of did? Well, it is auxiliary and it is the indicator that we are talking about a negative action in past. In Spanish, it doesn't mean anything. There isn't a literal translation. It's the word that indicates a negative action in the past. Shouldn't the verb be in past tense? No. When we use didn't or did not, the verb always goes in simple form. Why? Because the indicator that we're talking about the past is the auxiliary didn't or did not. That's why the verb always goes in simple form. Do I have to use didn't? Yes. Only when the verb was or were, it is not necessary. I mean, like, we don't combine the auxiliary didn't with the verb to be. They go independently. Remember that time expressions in the past are combinations with last, or combinations with ago, or combinations with yesterday. Let's practice some simple past. For example, the affirmative sentence is, the Reeds went grocery shopping last Friday. The negative sentence, they didn't go to the movies last Friday. The affirmative sentence, Carla and Mike watched the news this morning, and the negative, they didn't watch a movie. The affirmative sentence, Lucy and Jenny drank coffee and ate cookies yesterday morning. The negative sentence, they didn't eat gorditas. The Smiths traveled to Cancun last vacation. The negative sentence, they didn't stay home last vacation. Remember, in the negative form, we use an auxiliary, in this case, didn't, and the main verb is in the simple form, always. Okay, we can have the long form, did not, like I did not work, you did not work, he did not work, she did not work, it did not work, we did not work, you did not work, they did not work. Or the short form, the contraction. I didn't work, you didn't work, he didn't work, she didn't work, it didn't work, we didn't work, you didn't work, they didn't work. As you can see, it is the same auxiliary for all the subjects. Thank you very much for watching.